farmer? That's some shit, ain't it, boys? Goddamn farmer taking up the whole damn street. That's me. Stuck behind the big green tractor. Ain't that some bullshit?